What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today is actually quite a special video because it's going to be telling you the method that I think is the best way to become a profitable trader without risking any real money, and you simply investing your time. So I'm going to be going over how to backtest trading. Like I said, it's just an investment of your time. You don't have to spend any real money, and anyone who's a profitable trader would recommend, any good mentors would recommend you go on a demo before you trade real money. And it's great to go on a demo with live markets, but back testing, you can take multiple trades in a day. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now. So you want to start off by going on Google and just searching FX replay. Press enter, go to fxreplay.com and then click get started. Now what I recommend is you just sign up with Google, but if you don't want to, you can sign up with email and password. So I'm just going to click here, sign up with Google, and then you click continue, whatever, agree. Once you've signed up with Google, it'll take you to your dashboard where it shows you some cool stats like how much time you've invested in backtesting, how much historical time you've replayed, your overall win rate, and how many trades you've taken. And these things on the side are not really important. You can check them out if you want to, but that's not what we're going over today. We're going over how to backtest. So what you want to do is come down and click on new session, and then you want to name it. Doesn't matter what you name it. Your balance is important because you want to try and make this as realistic as possible. Like if you want to start trading with $10,000, you put in $10,000 there, for example. Or if you want to do a prop firm, which is what I'm going to be doing, you just put in how much, $200,000 or however much you're going to be doing on the prop firm. Let's just say for now you're doing $10,000. Then you want to put in your asset. You can't just type in gold. You have to know the ticker. So XAUUSD would be for gold. GBPJPY is for GJ, the pound versus yen forexes. And they have quite a few. I think they have NASDAQ as well, NAS 100. So you just put in, I'm going to say GJ for example, or GBP AUD. Then you're going to put in your initial dates. So when you want to start back testing from, I would recommend anytime. I would recommend you do like a long in the past, like 2020, then 2021, 2022, 2023, all the way until latest. So you want to click this day, for example. Then you can click like how many months, say like 5 or 6 months of backtesting. Or if you click here, you can just come to whatever date you want. And then you click create session. And what that's going to do is automatically load you into your session. But when you access the website, FX Replay, you're not going to be automatically in your session. You're going to have to go to your dashboard here and scroll down and click on this session. And then you click this little play button and it'll take you into your session. So now that we're in our sessions, it's going to look like this for you guys most likely in candles. So if you want, you can right click, you can click settings, canvas, you can change the color to black if you want. You can change your candle colors, whatever. That stuff's not really too important. But what is important is your navigations. So these are the different time zones. Your 4 hours, each candle is 4 hours, 30 minutes. You guys should know this. This is the trading basics. It's basically like a trading view chart, but we have this little tab over here, which allows you to play forward the time. But first, before you do any of this, make sure you come down here and make sure your time zone is set to your correct one. For example, if you trade on UCT time, set it on UCT. If you live somewhere like Joburg, Nicosia, or if you just know your time zone, change it to your specific time zone. For example, it's UTC +2 for me. This just makes sure when it says 2:30 a.m. it is actually 2:30 a.m. for you. Unless you trade on UTC time zone, then you can just leave it normally. But this is very important with market opens, session opens, and London, New York, and Asian sessions. Next, we're going to be going over how to replay actual time. So it's going to start you off on wherever you set your start date to. And then if we go to the 5 minutes, for example, and we set this to 5 minutes, each time you click this, a 5-minute candle is formed. if we look at the 30-minute chart and we select 30 minutes over here, each time you click it's going to be a 30-minute candle. So you can understand that. Next is going to be your lots and entering, buying and selling. So what you're going to want to do is find a Forex calculator, a lot size calculator. I recommend you go to securities.io and you come to these Forex tools, you go to position size calculator, and this is just going to help you enter the right amounts for your trades. So for example, if we want to take a short over here and the stop loss is up here, take profits down here, you're going to have to set your risk. So you can see over here where my mouse is, it says 6,308, and that's how many pips your stop loss is. So you're going to come on this calculator, you're going to put in what you're trading. For me it's gold, your currency, dollar, your open price. You're going to ignore this and you're going to click switch to stop loss in pips. Then you put your account balance. For this you have to click here, calculate lot size, and for FX replay you have to put 1. So then you set your risk, and then finally you check how many pips your stop loss is. So 6,308, 6,308, and then you click calculate. Then you're gonna round it to the nearest lot, so 3 lots, and we're gonna click sell. Then you can drag your stop loss to where your stop loss is, and you can drag your take profit here, or if you want, you can just click on the account right here and click add partial to set partial take profits. Then you can drag them all to however you want, but I'm just going to close out of this trade because this is my actual backtesting account, and then you click save. Now if you want to see your trades that you've taken, you go to the middle here, you drag it up, it will show you your open positions, pending orders if you use that, and then close positions. So this is the how to see your previous trades and your trades that you've taken. It will tell you here if it's a buy or a sell, your date, and how much, where you entered, and then where your close average was. It will also tell you the size, but what's most important here is the realized. It'll tell you, did you make $2,000, did you lose $2,000? So you can see we just took $0 on that, and that's how you take trades. That's how you backtest trades on FX replay. What I recommend is you take your closed positions here, you go to Google Sheets, you make a spreadsheet, and you can set up all different formulas and set up a total, and just make a journal for each trade you take, and that'll help you monitor and track your progress. Now that we know how to backtest trades, it's important to set goals and stay consistent, because it's easy to take 100 trades in a day and then not trade for a month. So what I do is take 3 trades a day, backtest 3 trades a day. It's quite little. I used to do 6 a day, but it's more important to be disciplined with trading. But this is, I'm not getting into any psychology now. This was, oh yeah, and to go back to your dashboard, you just click here, return to dashboard, and then it will show you all your stats. And if you click here, you can click your stats for the session. But yeah, I wouldn't really consider these stats too much. I recommend strongly that you make docs, Google Sheets for taking notes of your journals and look at your stats there. But now you know how to backtest trades. This is a very powerful tool. With a lot of time invested, you can almost certainly guarantee profitability, but it's just important to get your mindset right and not get sucked in. And yeah, so that's how you backtest trades. Hope you enjoy, guys, and yeah, good luck trading, good luck and good trading.